Whoa! Wow! It turned.
Yeah.
Wow! Where is it now?
Hey, look at that.
Oh!
No, you stop now. You stop.
Oh!
No, you stop.
Where they come from? Where they come from? Oh, the trees.
Maybe we're gonna
is
stop
on-
on top of the building. You coming
Oh.
this way?
Where? Where did it go? Oh, there, there.
Behind the thing.
The tree. Yeah. Wow. That's neat.
Yeah. They're going now. You can take it. Now you can take it now.
Wow. Cute. Right? It's cute. Where that came from? Where did it start?
I don't know.
Oh, there it is. There it is. There it is. Look at that. Look at that blimp. See that blimp there? Up. That's neat. Wow, it turned around again. You think so?
Kind of breezy, yeah. He's got to come around. He's got to find a way to land it on that wind.
Oh, really? The wind? The wind cannot. See, look at that. That's neat. I wonder where they.
You know what?
Could you hold this? Oh yeah. Oh no.
He's coming now.
Yeah, I know. It's take picture, take picture. More. I'm gonna show this to the kids.
Okay, mommy.
Okay, hold on. Could you do this, Victoria? I can't find him anymore. There. Could you do this for me? Oh, Daddy, could you do this for me? Ah, I see the bottom. Wait,
You got it?
it's cute. Yeah, I'm redoing it. Look at. Look, go like this, Daddy. Oh, here. Just look. Hold it. I'm going to get the bunny.
Alright.
Got it?
Yeah, I got
There,
it.
got it.
Thank you. Bye-bye. And happy Mother's Day.
You too.
Here, alright.
Aww. Bye-bye. That must be a mother riding there for Mother's Day. Bye-bye.